10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff.
Safety launch pad.
Beginning pitch over.
Electron is up and away from the pad at Launch Complex 1, soaring through the sky and on its way to space for Capella. All is looking nominal with the rocket and its engines as the mission approaches its first notable event.
And vehicle has passed max Q.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation successful.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
That is MECO, stage separation and second stage ignition all confirmed from mission control.
Fairing jettison succeeded.
You saw it there on your screen. Electron's fairing has
Stage 2
split apart
propulsion
and
nominal.
fallen away as planned.
Hot swap successful.
Battery jettison confirmed.
You heard it there from mission control.
Stage 1 main chute deploy.
SECO confirmed.
Great news there from mission control.
Stage 3
With that
separation
second
confirmed.
stage engine cold and the kick stage cleanly separated, all we have left now to complete the mission is payload
Nominal
deployment
transfer
for
orbit
Capella's
achieved.
Acadia satellite.
And confirmed payload deployment.